Understanding dropped stitch, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase in the English language, dropped stitch. Whether you're knitting a sweater or weaving sentences in English, understanding this phrase will add a unique texture to your language skills. Let's unravel its meaning together. The phrase, dropped stitch, originally comes from knitting. In knitting, a stitch is a loop of yarn. When one of these loops falls off the needle accidentally, it's called a dropped stitch. This can cause a hole or a run in the fabric. In everyday English, a dropped stitch is used metaphorically. It refers to a small mistake or omission in what should be a continuous process. Just like a missed loop in knitting can lead to a noticeable flaw, a dropped stitch, in other contexts, means a small error that can disrupt the flow or outcome of an activity. Let's see some examples. 1. In work, we almost missed our project deadline due to a dropped stitch in our planning. 2. In writing, the article was good, but there was a dropped stitch in the argument that made it less convincing. 3. In daily life, I thought I had all the ingredients for the recipe, but there was a dropped stitch. I forgot the salt. To use this phrase, remember it indicates a minor but impactful error. For instance, I need to fix a dropped stitch in my report before submitting it. He realized he had a dropped stitch in his calculations only after the presentation. Understanding phrases like dropped stitch can enrich your English communication, making it more vivid and expressive. I hope this video has helped clarify this unique expression. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll be knitting your sentences like a pro. Happy learning and see you in our next video.